Today I'm going to show you how to repair or develop negative film image in Adobe Photoshop. First right-click of this background or subject layer, and convert it to Smart Object. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and invert the image. Now click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new curves. Select the black eyedropper. And click on the darkest area of the image. Then select the white eyedropper. And click on the brightest area of the image. Now you can also adjust the brightness of your image, by dragging this white point at the top to the left. Close Properties panel once you're satisfied. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.